Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today's cue card topic is describe a time when you have to use your imagination. Let's begin. So imagination play an important role in our life, and many of the times we have to use our imagination. I would like to share an incident when I was in senior secondary, and at that time my teacher assigned me an assignment based on painting, a painting in which I have to draw a mountain valley. So I had never been to a mountain valley in my life till that time. So but I have seen a lot of sceneries, a lot of similar things on TV. So I used my imagination and I started drawing. Firstly, I drew two mountains, and by the middle of those mountains I drew a river running, and beside that river there was a hut. Along with that hut I drew a small garden, and I drew some birds flying in the sky. Also, in the corner of that painting I drew sun shining. So all in all, I have painted that and I have submitted that painting to my teacher, and at last she gave me very good marks. So at that time I used my imagination, and after that lot more imaginations I did in my assignments as well, whenever I had not experienced such things. So that was the time when I used my imagination. Also, I would like to tell that in this tech-savvy era, people are paid according to their ability to use their imagination. We can have a lot of examples like people working in Microsoft, people working in many other reputed multinational companies. So they are paid according to their imagination. And one more eminent example is Elon Musk, who got popularity because of his imagination, because he has imagined life on Mars and he has been working on that project since very long, and even I am a very good fan of Elon Musk. So that's all about the topic. Thank you so much. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much.